by the Pune police. She was absconding from several days. Remember, this whole case came to light when a video of her went viral on social media showing her brandishing a gun at farmers, and then a case was lodged. Now her daughter is also in the eye of storm, where she is facing allegations of misuse of power, and her certificates of being an IAS officer are being probed by a central panel. Now it remains to be seen the line of questioning that Pooja Khedkar's mother will be facing. Remember, her Pooja Khedkar's father is also under the lens of the cops. Several teams were made to catch Manorama Khedkar from her hiding, and now she has been arrested from a hotel in Pune, where she was hiding after the whole video and the whole fiasco of the fraud IAS officer came to light. Now we are getting the information that she has been detained by the Pune police in the case. Pooja Khedkar's mother, visuals of Pooja Khedkar's mother on your screens, viewers. She has been detained by Pune police from a hotel in, if I'm not wrong, Raigad, and she was there in hiding. We also have our colleague Paras Dama now joining us to give us more details. Yes, Paras, now we are getting to know that Pooja Khedkar's mother has been detained. What more details can you share with us?
Right, so Pooja Khedkar's mother, Manorama Khedkar, is detained by Pune Police. Pune Police has made 3 teams to find Pooja Khedkar's mother, Manorama Khedkar, and Dilip Khedkar. 3 teams were made. One was in Ahmednagar searching for them, one was in Mumbai searching for them, and one was in Pune itself. But now the latest update in this entire matter is she has been detained from Mahad. She was staying in a small lodge at Mahad, and from there, with the technical evidences and GPS tracker, Pune Police, local crime branch, and Pune Police has traced her, and after that she got detained by Pune Police, and she has been brought back to Port Police Station. This is the same police station where FIR was registered against Manorama Khedkar for flaunting a gun at a farmer and threatening them. So this entire case is getting more and more complicated every day. Still, Pune Police is searching for Dilip Khedkar, who is not been found yet, and they are trying to find him also. But the major thing which has been came into light is that Manorama Khedkar has been detained by Pune Police, and they are preparing to arrest her. Procedure has been started inside the police station, and in some time we will get the exact situation that Pune Police has arrested Manorama Khedkar. For now, she has been detained. The procedure to arrest her is already on in the police station. A few days ago, Pune Police Commissioner has sent a show-cause notice to Manorama Khedkar regarding the gun which she was flaunting at the farmer, and 10 days was given to answer that show-cause notice, but she was not there at her home, and her phone was also switched off. With that, Dilip Khedkar was also missing from home, and there was no contact made by Pune Police. So in this entire matter, the search operation was started by Pune Police and local crime branch, and now Manorama Khedkar has been detained, and the procedure to arrest her has already been started inside the Pune Port Police Station.
Paras, do we know any details of Pooja Khedkar's father, who is also an IAS officer? He was also absconding along with the mother.
Right, so Pune Police is trying to find Dilip Khedkar. He is a retired IAS officer. He was posted in Mumbai in Pollution Board, but he was forcefully retired by the Pollution Board because he was already having 2 corruption charges on his name, and that's why Pollution Board asked for the resignation of Dilip Khedkar, and after that he was retired. Now, after this whole case came into light, Dilip Khedkar is missing from his house from last 5 to 6 days. The search operation was lodged for Pooja Khedkar's mom, Manorama Khedkar, and Dilip Khedkar, but both were missing. Right now, Manorama Khedkar has been detained, and still search for Dilip Khedkar is on.
Right. Do we know any line of questioning that she will be facing, and what is the procedure right now that the Pune police are undertaking to formally arrest her?
So there are major protocols which have to be followed by the police when someone gets detained. After that, some questioning should be done. Then, because already FIR has been launched by the Pune police regarding the threatening of farmer, and 10-day SOCO notice was served to Manorama Khedkar in this entire matter. She wanted to answer. She has to be answered that SOCO's notice 10 days in the timeline of 10 days, but she cannot answer the same, and there will be major line of questioning which will be done by the Pune police, and inside the formally documentation has been done inside the Pune police, and in some time we will get the official things that Manorama Khedkar has been arrested in this matter. But right now the formal paperwork has been done by Pune police, so it is very difficult to say she is arrested. But now, right now, the major confirmation is that she has been detained and paperwork inside the police station is on to arrest her.
Right. Paras, if you can give us the exact details of from where she has been detained and since how long she was in hiding.
So she was in hiding from last 3-4 days. She was traveling from Pune to Mahad. She traveled Pune to Mahad, and in the same lodge she was staying. It's Parvati Niwas, a small lodge at Mahad. She was staying there and she was hiding there from last 3-4 days. So there are major things which has to be come in light after the interrogation which will be done by the Pune police after she get arrested. So it will be very interesting to see what all things will come into light after the interrogation of Manorama Khedkar, because this is very initial stage where police have detained her, and now she has been brought back to Port police station where FIR was registered against her of threatening a farmer and planting a gun at them. So in this entire matter we have to wait for some time what exact situation has occurred and what all things will come back. We will get to know after she will get arrested and she will be interrogated by the police.
Right, Paras, thank you for giving us the details. The visuals on your screens, viewers, are on the right side. You can see how Manorama Khedkar was brandishing a gun at a farmer and allegedly threatening a farmer. On the left hand, you have the visuals of the Pune police who have now detained Pooja Khedkar's mother, the troublesome IAS officer's mother, in the allegedly threatening case. Slipping into a very short break now. More news and updates on the other side.